Dear students, good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about 5th standard maths. The topic is rounding of numbers. What do you mean by rounding of numbers? Rounding of the numbers gives the closer value, not the actual value. In our day-to-day life, we use numbers in various situations. For example, if someone asks what is the distance between our school and home, our answer could be around 10 km. We say the approximate value only, not the exact answer. So, rounding of the numbers is very simple and it is very important also. It can be rounded off to the nearest 10, 100 or 1000, etc. First we see rounding of the numbers to the nearest 10. See the number line. A good way of explaining this is to use a number line. If the unit of the number is less than 5, the number needs to be rounded down. If the unit of the number is 5 or above, the number needs to be rounded up. This is the rules. See the number line. Here 32 would be rounded down to 30. 35 would be rounded up to 40. And 38 would also be rounded up to 40. If the digit at the ones place is less than 5, we round off the numbers downwards by keeping the tens place as it is and replace the ones place digit by 0. If the digit at the ones place is greater than or equal to 5, we round off the numbers upwards by increasing the tens place digit by 1 and replace the ones place digit by 0. This is the main rule. Next we see rounding of the numbers to the nearest 100. See the number line. If the tens digit is less than 50, the number is rounded down. If the tens digit is 50 or more, the number is rounded up. That is, the unit digits can be ignored when rounding a 3-digit number to the nearest 100. So here 834 would be rounded down to 800 and 851 would be rounded up to 900 and 876 would be rounded up to 900. That is, if the digit at the tens place is less than 5, we round off the numbers downwards by keeping the hundreds place digit as it is and replace the tens and ones place digit by 0. And then if the digit at the tens place is greater than or equal to 5, we round off the numbers upwards by increasing the hundreds place digit by 1 and replace the tens and ones place digit by 0. Next we see rounding of the numbers to the nearest 1000. To the nearest 1000 we see at its hundreds place. If it is less than 5 or greater than or equal to 5, we must follow the same rules as we did in 10 and 1000. See 5468. So it is rounded as 5000. 6570. So it is rounded as 7000. Here we add 1 in 1000 place. 5 is equal to 5. Okay. Thank you, students.